Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do this quick and easy protective style. I saw it on Pinterest and I just had to try it, so let's go ahead. These are the products I'm going to be using to complete this protective style. I'm also going to re-moisturize my hair with these products. Okay, so I'm starting off on clean, stretched hair. With my rat tail comb, I'm creating a part straight down the middle. I'm twisting up the section I'm not working on so I can have it out of the way. Next, I'm going to re-moisturize my hair and seal it so my hair stays moisturized and protected for the duration of the style. This hair came sectioned into 3 pieces. I'm going to be using 2 of those sections, one for each side of my head. I'm applying my braiding jam to tame any flyaways and also make my hair easier to grip. Now I'm taking out my baby hairs so I don't break them off trying to get at them later, and I'm gonna start braiding. So I'm doing a feed-in braid. So I'm going to start off with a small section of my hair and add in a small piece of extension to that, and then add bigger pieces as I go down the shaft of my hair. So there are many tutorials on how to do a feed-in braid on the internet, but if you want to see one from me, let me know and I will definitely film one for you guys. So I'm showing this section in real time because I want you guys to see how gentle I am with my hair so I can avoid any breakage. I don't want to go yanking at my hair because it will come out. When I'm not shooting a video and just doing 2 feed-in braids on each side of my head, it typically takes me less than 10 minutes per braid. It did take me a lot longer because I wasn't in my usual setup and I was trying to shoot a video, so yeah. So it's really important on this part, once you get to the end, to braid past the length of your hair. If you don't, you may end up cutting off some of your real hair. So it's really important to braid past the length of your hair and then tie it, because we're going to be cutting off the excess. And then we repeat the process on the other side. I'm using a pack of Lulu Tress Hair in Water Wave. It came in 2 sections, so I'm using a section per braid. Now I'm just crocheting that on the ends of my hair, and I'm gonna move all the way towards the top until I feel it's full enough. I did use the entire section on just one braid. Now I'm just separating the hair to make it fuller. Now that I'm done crocheting my hair, that little straight piece that was at the bottom, I'm just cutting that off so that the entirety of my hair is curly at the bottom. Now you can leave your hair this length if you want, but this was just a little bit too much hair for me. So I chose to cut it off and make it a lot shorter. To hide the crochet knots at the top of my hair, I'm going to go ahead and use my Got To Be spray and just wrap one of those crocheted in pieces all the way around the top section so it looks like a ponytail. Now I'm going to grab my blow dryer and set that into place so that it does not move. Ooh, edges time, and this is my favorite part because you get to see the look come all the way together and, you know, be cute. Now, I'm not an expert on baby hairs by any means. This is just what I do, and this is what I find the easiest to do. Now I'm just gonna tie that up and let it set. This is 4 days later, when I finally got back in front of the mirror to show the completed results. This hair lasted really well, and everywhere I went, people kept telling me how good it looks. Now, please let me know what you think and leave a comment in the comments. That part.